I spent countless hours analyzing the most profitable faceless YouTube channels, and today I am revealing the only 8 faceless niches that will actually make you rich in 2025. But before we dive in, let me show you something interesting. Take a look at this, a faceless channel with over 634,000 subscribers that pull in 5 million views annually, but they barely made $10,000 last year. Now compare that to other faceless channels launched in April 2023. They have only 97 videos, but they got slightly more views, around 6 million. But they made over $45,000 from AdSense alone in the same time frame. That's 4 times the revenue with just 1.2 times more views. So what's the secret? It's all about picking the right niche. Some niches pay $2 per 1,000 views, while others pay up to $20. This is why choosing your niche strategically is critical. And by the way, please like and subscribe to my video. I have so much more I want to share with you. Now, let's break it down. The top 10 faceless niches for 2025 ranked based on earning potential and ease of video creation. Stick around because I will also share a powerful strategy to scale these channels fast. Niche number 8, anime self-help visual, motivation for digital audience. This niche is a goldmine for blending self-improvement with engaging anime visuals. Channels like Incog.Nito CEO hit $2,000 subscriber in just 15 videos, and their RPM, revenue per 1,000 views, sits around $2 to $4.50. Why does this niche work? People love anime and they love self-improvement. When you merge these two, engagement skyrockets. Plus, AI tools like InVideo AI allows you to create high-quality anime-style content in minutes. If you have ever wanted to create self-help content, this method could help your channel grow much faster. Earning potential, 4 out of 10. Ease of video creation, 9 out of 10. Total score, 6.5 out of 10. Niche number 7, moral stories. Timeless wisdom, modern success. This niche takes traditional moral lessons and turns them into compelling video content. Channels like Dream Sparks get over 200,000 views per month, making over $1,000 monthly with an estimated RPM of $5 to $6. The beauty of this niche, stories are easy to find and you can get them from books, ChatGPT, or even public domain content. Pair them with AI-generated visuals and you've got a channel that can scale quickly. Earning potential, 5 out of 10. Ease of video creation, 9 out of 10. Total score, 7 out of 10. Niche number 6, ancient philosophy. Timeless knowledge, modern relevance. Philosophy-based channels are blowing up, and the demand for deep, insightful content is only growing. Channels like Stoic Journal focus on Stoicism, generate 700,000 plus views last month, making upward of $4,000 with RPM of $6. The best part, the content is evergreen, meaning the video continues to generate revenue for years. This is a great niche if you enjoy deep discussions and thought-provoking content. Earning potential, 6 out of 10. Ease of video creation, 8 out of 10. Total score is 7 out of 10. Niche number 5, business documentaries. Storytelling that pays. Big business documentary channels earn some of the highest ad rates on YouTube. Take Magnet Media. They make over $115,000 per month with an RPM of over $7.50 per 1,000 views. Creating these videos require research, but if you can script compelling stories about big companies, business failures, or financial scandals, this niche is worth exploring. Earning potential is 9 out of 10. Ease of video creation, 3 out of 10. Total score is 6.5 out of 10. Niche number 4, horror and scary stories. High engagement and easy to create. Horror is one of the most consistent faceless niches. Channels like Chilling Scares pull in 18 million views per month, making over $100,000 RPMs. In this range space from $5 to $12 per 1,000 views. The formula is simple: eerie images and AI voiceover, and spine-chilling stories make massive engagement. If you enjoy storytelling, this could be a great niche to jump into. Earning potential, 8 out of 10. Ease of video creation, 7 out of 10. Total score is 7.5 out of 10. Niche number 3, basic financial education. High demand, high earnings. Channels covering personal finance basics have insane earning potential. Lux, for example, averages 3.5 million views per month, making around $25,000 per month RPMs, and this niche can range between $12 to $20. The good news, you don't need a finance degree. Cover topics like budgeting and savings and passive income. AI tools can generate scripts, and simple whiteboard animation make production easy. Earning potential, 9 out of 10. Ease of video creation, 7 out of 10. Total score is 8 out of 10. Niche number 2, AI focused, make money online content. The digital gold rush, AI and making money online. This is one of the hottest niches right now. Channels like 10 Time Income hit 300,000 subscribers with just 55 videos, making $4,000 a month from AdSense alone. RPM range from $7 to $10. There's a massive demand for AI-powered income strategies. Covering tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, or automation methods can make this highly profitable niche. Earning potential, 9 out of 10. Ease of video creation, 5 out of 10. Total score is 7 out of 10. Niche number 1, 3D animation. The future of faceless content. This is where the big money is. Zach D Films, a leader in this space, pulled in 2.6 billion views per month. Even conservative estimates put their earning between $20,000 and $80,000 per month. Traditionally, 3D animation was hard, but AI tools like InVideo AI are making it much more accessible. If you're looking for a faceless niche with massive potential, this is it. Earning potential, 9 out of 10. Ease of video creation, 6 out of 10. Total score is 7.5 out of 10. If you want to succeed in 2025, picking the right niche is just step 1. The key to winning is executing the right content strategy. Do you want to build your faceless channel the right way and start making money faster? Then make sure to check out the free resources linked in the description and pinned comment. Your success on YouTube is all about choosing the right niche and implementing the right strategies. So which of these niches will you start? Drop a comment below and let's discuss. Until next time, be freelantastic.